previously on
Dota 2.
Hey, did you buy Alex, Marcus?
Yeah, I have. It's amazing.
Hey,
Is it worth
Alex
spending money?
will not be bought.
This week.
Oh, why did I burn $100 on Gears of War? That was fucking weird.
What? You didn't get Game Pass?
Someone clip that! Please, I need that for when Gears 6 comes out. You're still being stupid. Yeah,
Not
come on.
spending $30 on a game during Fringe that you play for
You
like...
know, it will still be there after Fringe.
Oh, maybe I'll buy it then.
I think this is sticking around, dude. This is very good.
Mate, aren't you making bank at the fridge? The fridge?